Hey fam, I'm at Walgreens. This is a different store. Now you know this is sad. Look at that. They gotta lock up the Dove body wash to keep people from stealing. This is a sad situation here. But I'm gonna see what I can get. I'm gonna do this deal right here. Free Olay body wash, $7 a piece. And I'm gonna get a $5 register reward. Okay, I got my 3. And I got a 5 off 3 digital. So I'm gonna get a $5 register reward back. I also have a 5 off 2 on this Tresemme right here. So I'm starting with 0 register rewards. So I'm gonna have to build my transaction up. So I'm gonna get 2 of these, which would be $12, and I got a 5 off 2 that leave me paying $7 out of pocket. I get back that $5 register reward, so they'll cost me $1 a piece, and I'm gonna roll that register reward into this transaction. Okay, this gonna be my first transaction. This stuff here is rolling because I'm trying to build up my register rewards to help me pay for my bigger room. Okay, I'm gonna do this first, my first transaction. I'm gonna buy 2 of these, which is $6 a piece. I'm gonna buy, and I'm gonna get a $5 register reward back from that. I'm gonna get these 2. That's 4, that's 8. So my subtotal come up to $20. But I got a 5 off 2 digital, a 3 off 2 digital, which takes it down to $12, I believe, out of pocket. But I'm gonna get $5 register reward here, a $3 register reward here. So that'll be $8 I'm gonna get back, which means this will actually cost me $4 out of pocket. But I'm gonna roll them no, I'm gonna get $9 register reward back, which means this is $3 out of pocket. My bad, fam. And I'm gonna roll that register reward into my next transaction. Okay, guys, I done made it home. So I'm gonna show you what I did. Remember, I said that I was gonna do 3 different deals, and that's what I did. I didn't have any register rewards. I'm thinking about CVS when I said ECBs. I was going to say that, but don't forget. Don't think about it. Okay. This is on sale right here. The deal of the week. You buy 1 Colgate toothpaste, 1 Colgate toothbrush, or it can be 2 Colgate toothpaste or 2 toothbrushes. I just did 1 and 1 because I'm gonna end up giving it away anyway. But this was $4. This was $4. These are $6 a piece. So that brought my total up to $20. I had a 3 off 2 that came off instead of my 4 off 2. I should have removed that because it's a lower value, but it's okay. And I had a 5 off 2 digital. So let's look at my receipt. Okay, on my receipt, as you can see, my subtotal is $15, which my 3 off 2 off this toothpaste and toothbrush didn't come off, so I had to call Walgreens as usual, and they gave me my $3 WAG cash. But if my total had been with my $3 off, my $5 digital came off, that would have been $12 out of pocket. But I got back $4 register reward for that, $5 register reward for that. So after my register reward, that meant this 2 Tresemmes, toothbrush, and toothpaste cost me $3. So I rolled that into my next transaction. Okay, here's my next transaction. I bought 3 Olay body wash, $7 a piece, which was $21. I bought the Scott tissue and a Scott paper towel. Let's look at my receipt. Okay, here's my receipt. $21. That darn boy told me that that paper towel cost $5. Liar. But the Scott tissue is buy one, get one half off. I should have got 2 had I been thinking. But you see, I rolled my $5 register reward, $4 register reward. I had a 5 off 3 digital for the body wash. And I had $1 off paper towel, $1 off tissue. And that brought my total down to $15.99, which I paid that out of pocket, but I got back $5 for the olive olay. I keep saying olive olay. That's a makeup, ain't it? I think it is. But I got back $5 for register reward for those body wash right here, which made my total, there you go, $10.99 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items, which made all of them cost $2.20 a piece. Now the $5 that I got from here, I wrote into my next transaction. Okay, here's my next transaction. Walgreens got, when you buy 4, you get a $5 register reward. This was $5.49, $5.49, $5.49, $5.49. I think it came up to $21.97, somewhere up in there. I know it was $21. Okay, let's look at my receipt. Okay, here's my receipt. The $5 register reward that I got from this right here, I rolled it. And I had $1.50 digital, $1.50 digital, $1.50 digital, $1.50 digital that came off, which brought my subtotal down to $10.96, in which I paid that out of pocket, but I got back $5 register reward, which made this $5.96 out of pocket for laundry detergent. So that's a pretty good deal, fam. Pretty good deal. So hit up Walgreens this week if you can. They got some good deals going on. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification bell on so you'll know when I upload another video. Give me the thumbs up. Until the next video, y'all have a blessed evening.